it is raining, so I have started late from my hostel because can't go anywhere. So I took this bus from my hostel and came to Interlaken West. So from here I will see. From here I will see where to go. And train is here. IC train. We're going to Interlaken West. I go there and if possible I will go to Wengen, Murren and Lauterbrunnen. So whatever weather I have to go. I can't just sleep in my hostel. It is waste of money, waste of time. So I'm just decided to take this train. You can put cycles in lower deck. So I'm just sitting in lower deck. It's only 5 minutes. So I got a train into Lauterbrunnen in 4 minutes. So I am lucky. So I take this train and go to one of the best villages on this planet, Lauterbrunnen. So I will see after going there. There are some more villages like Wengen, Murren. Train to Lauterbrunnen. So I can see so many Indians. You can see it is going via Manton, Wilderswil. Arrival in Lauterbrunnen at 11:26. So that is 22 minutes after from here. Manton the Interlaken. So it is going to Grindelwald.
Wilderswil. Next stop, Wilderswil. Prochain arrêt, Wilderswil.
Where? Reichenberg? There's a school. Yeah. Get it. Yeah. Don't take this away from me.
So this I have got down from this train. So this is Lauterbrunnen. I spent some time and then go to Wengen, Murren. So this train is going to Kleinstadek via Wengen. So I will take this train later. First I will explore. I spent some time in one of the best scenic village in the world, Lauterbrunnen. That waterfall is very famous. Is like we can see so many YouTube videos. If anyone recording this Lauterbrunnen video, so they definitely record that waterfall. So now I am going towards that. This is Lauterbrunnen station. So we have first visited in the year 2005, 20 years back, but we didn't stop here. Just we changed trains. I think I forgot. So, but I am going to explore Lauterbrunnen today. These are different platforms in Lauterbrunnen. You can see different departures, cable cars, trains. So train goes to Murren, cable car goes to Murren, train goes to Wengen. They are all world famous villages. So this is platform 2 and 3. So I just have to go outside to spend some time in the village. Great village, Lauterbrunnen. World class village. You can see left side is a platform 1. So I have to go towards that. I can take a cable car to Murren. So that is free for Swiss pass holders. But I spent some time here in Lauterbrunnen, then come back, take a cable car to Murren, spend some time there, and again come back here, and then go to Wengen, and then finally Grindelwald. So you can see Murren. I can take a cable car here, but I will take later because first I want to spend some time in excellent village, Lauterbrunnen. See the clouds, mist, snow mountains. It is unfortunately raining. Otherwise, it would have been excellent trip or excellent scenery. So this is the co-op cheapest supermarket and reasonable supermarket in Switzerland. You find it everywhere. Bank is also there. Parking. I see a lot of Indians coming to Grindelwald, Lauterbrunnen, Wengen, Murren. You can also stay here, but I think it will be expensive to stay here. This is world famous facility. We also have helicopter tours here, but definitely they are very expensive. You can see Lauterbrunnen train station. So every 30 minutes we have a train to Kleinstag and also train to Interlaken Ost. I mean Kleinstag means Wengen. So every 30 minutes, so no need to worry. Rain or shine, whatever it is, train will come and it will transport people. Cutest village, one of the cutest villages on this planet because of that big waterfall and its height and its location to Grindelwald, Wengen, Murren and Jungfrau. This melting snow water flowing downhill. We can sit and enjoy food outside. See the flowers, beautiful small flowers under the windows. So this type of flowers arrangement we can see only in Switzerland. Not any other place in the world. See, every window they have put basket and flowers. See the mountains. This is non-stop video recording. I can't even stop for 5 minutes not recording because that is such a beautiful place, this one. Burgers, sandwiches, ice cream, coffee, and we have to check our purse, cards before entering to restaurant, hotels here, restaurants here. They're all expensive. One more cafe with croissants, coffee, tea. And then is one hotel here, Hotel Schutzen. So we can check in Make My Trip or booking.com for the rent. Definitely it will be around 250 francs minimum if I'm not wrong. So there is also a ATM here to withdraw cash. You can see Lauterbrunnen village from top. Excellent, one of the best. And the waterfall, I am getting closer to waterfall. For a saver line and road preparation with the little JCBs This Hotel Jungfrau. It has also got restaurant, the Bell Hotel restaurant, and beautiful flowers in the baskets. You can see Staubach waterfall. Okay, so it is called Staubach. So it is world famous. You can see how the water is flowing from the mountain hill. There is a hotel name also called Staubach. Staubach. Hotel, and also there is a disco, maybe during the nights or weekends. Not sure. You can check the price. She's checking before entering to the hotel. So they put menu price list in front of the restaurant. That is best thing to do. I see some little big box kind of thing. So he is selling donuts, coffee. Oh, 8 donuts, 7. It is very cheap. 12 donuts for 10 franc. It is excellent compared to prices in Interlaken. Let me see the price list. Coffee is still expensive. Espresso 3 francs. Donuts is cheap, but I had enough breakfast in my hostel for 8 francs including tea. So I'm not feeling hungry now. So let me move to waterfall. See the house, Elizabeth House. Helicopter trip. Helicopters are always dangerous, you know. I think it is transporting some material, maybe sand or something like that, to faraway place in the mountains. I can see a small Swiss flag in a small hole there on the mountain. Staubach Fall. Staubbh. Staubach Waterfall. Lauterbrunnen. People are going up. Oh, it is too much hiking. It will rain now anytime, so better I leave this place and go to Wengen Murren. So before rain starts. If it rain starts, I can't do anything. Just have to stay somewhere. So better I don't waste time here. O'clock, 21st of May, Wednesday 2025. I am in Lauterbrunnen. So it's close to Interlaken and Jungfrau, Wengen, Murren, Kleinstadeg. So these are the world famous tourist places. People are coming, visiting this place and going back to train station or bus. any Swiss village looks like this, with a church and beautiful houses, chalets, and like valleys like this, and gardens, so green, so big trees, so typical Swiss village. So now I'm going back to station, going back to Lauterbrunnen station. From there I take a train cable car to Murren. So there is only cable car to Murren, there is no train. So this is the way I took. Just now I am coming from that beautiful, excellent waterfall. I spent there like 10-15 minutes and just walked all over this road, the same place, same road, but different restaurants, because I am now hotels, because I am walking left side, so I get a better view. This is Lauterbrunnen real estate office. Real estate, I don't know, information maybe. Information, sorry. It's my mistake. So it's about Lauterbrunnen, Wengen and Murren. I don't know why it is closed. Normally they open whole day, entire day. They never close it. You can see different. You can see different world class facilities like Shiltan, Murren, Staubosch waterfall. Just I have visited. And a trial, Jungfrau, Wengen. So all those places are world class, very, very important in Switzerland, entire Switzerland. So this area is called Bernese Oberland. So Bernese Oberland, Interlaken, I think comes in Bernese Oberland. So this is the heart of tourism in entire Switzerland, because there are several places from here, so we can visit. Thankfully it is not raining now, but it might start any time. So it would be better if I visit Wengen and Murren before rain comes, because I can't even walk like this. Yesterday it was non-stop from 3 p.m. So suddenly rain started. So we never know, because still we are in spring. So June, July are better months to visit. So if you want to escape like cold, rain, winter, so June is the best month. July, August, so July, August, June, so the summer, so we can enjoy, we can have beautiful views, so without any distraction. Co-op bank. See the lady, how interested she is. So you can see cable car, Lauterbrunnen and Murren, and back to Lauterbrunnen.